Hey Connor, I'm looking at your paper here, and I'm not sure when the last time we spoke. I'm not sure if this is your final copy, but it's still lacking a thesis. You don't have any sort of thesis that has an A, a B, and a C in it that tells us what you're going to be arguing. So this is really set up to be informative, and without that thesis in there, it really doesn't have any direction with that. You have no sources in your introduction. Coming down here, you have just this one. You have one direct quote, and that's it. You're supposed to have two, at least two per paragraph, and you need page numbers. Let me come down to this one. That's kind of the consensus on your whole paper, is that you have a couple of direct quotes, and that's it. And this is, I'm not sure what this quotation mark is here for. And then you don't have this. Okay, it's all of this. You just have the quotes going the wrong way. And then I'm not sure what this is here. But it's way too long for a direct quote. 2 to 3 lines per page of direct quotes is what, if you in the videos, it says all of that. No comma, no P. It would just be last name, page number. So again, just another direct quote. That's it. So, and only one source. So you just don't have very many sources. You have an author and a title. You don't ever put both. You put one or the other. And quotation marks have to go around titles, and you need page numbers. Period doesn't go here. It just goes right here. So same here. So that's kind of the consensus. She did the same thing here, and it's just those direct quotes here. You have this one right here. That's not a direct quote, and that appears to be the only one you have for this entire paper. Let's come down here. So again, last name, but it needs page number, or just too many direct quotes. Another direct quote with no page number. You have this quote, but you don't have the parentheses, which is a requirement. Wait a minute, hold on. I think it's confusing because your quote's end here, but then it's here, so that just throws it off a little bit. It's a little bit confusing. So page numbers, I'm just going to be redundant. It's going to be the same thing on all of them. But, it's just not a lot of sources, and there's not really any paraphrasing or summarizing. The margins on here, you see how they're different. They should be the same here, but it's like, it should be here, but you have it backed up here. Other than that, your works cited looks pretty good. That's not really my concern. It's the fact that you have a research paper with not much research. It's like you just threw in a few direct quotes, and you don't have that thesis. So I hope this explains, and if you have any questions, call me today before 1:30.